people you meet, the places it can take you, the food you create, the knowledge you gain, and just the experience in general is just an amazing one. Hi, my name's Sam, and I'm currently a sous chef at Paulina's Bar and Bistro in Clyde. So my current role being a sous chef is I run everyday operation of the kitchen, and I manage the other staff, doing the ordering, maintaining food standards, and just keep things running smoothly every day, really. So I chose to become a chef is because it's one of those jobs that can take you around the world. Like you can go to any country, anywhere in the world, walk into a kitchen. Doesn't matter about language because if you know how to cook, you know how to cook. So then I thought, well, all these plants and animals, they're being grown, harvested for a reason, so I want to learn to showcase them in the best possible way. So I've learned the method to be able to use that ingredient. So I understand that how it should be prepared and the correct way to use it, not waste much, respect it, then when it's served, it's the best possible form it can be. What I find most rewarding about my job is the atmosphere during a service. For me is that when we have a really busy night of maybe doing 100, 120 people and just all working towards that goal of just serving the customer and giving them the best possible experience. It makes you feel quite rewarded that what you've done all day to create that end product is good. The highlight for me of working at Paulina's is being able to cook all our meats in the wood-fired oven, and you get that experience of the steak being cooked with fire and you get the smokiness. Just a new way of cooking that I'll take with me everywhere, and it's just an advantage of working here. I couldn't imagine myself doing anything else is because this is just a job that I love and it's just people that you meet, it just makes it all worth it. And the future goal for me is to try go as many places as possible, work in as many kitchens as I can and just gather as much experience as I can. And then in one day, maybe I open up my own restaurant and just do my own thing.